Imagine a lighthouse. It stands on a cliff, the waves are crashing, the wind is blowing, the ships are lost in the fog, terrified of hitting the rocks. What does the lighthouse do? Does it jump into the water? Does it swim out to the ship and scream at the captains? Does it try to board the vessels and take the wheel? No. If a lighthouse did that, it would cease to be a lighthouse. It would be just another wreck in the sea. The lighthouse stays on the rock. It stays tall and it shines. Its only job is to maintain its own light. It doesn't care if the ships see it or not. It doesn't take it personally if a ship hits the rocks. It doesn't celebrate if a ship makes it to the harbor. It is simply a place of stability. You are being called to be the lighthouse. Your help has been a form of noise, and now you are shifting into presence. When you are with someone who is struggling, you are going to practice the golden silence. You are going to look at them and think, I see your struggle. I see your power. I trust that you are exactly where you need to be for your soul to grow. This is the respect. When you stop fixing people, you give them their dignity back. And you become a witness to their divine presence. And notice what happens to the mirror when you do this. When you stop being a pressure, you become a magnet. When you aren't heavy with advice and intrusion, you become light. And people are naturally drawn to the light. They will stop dumping you because you are no longer a burden they have to carry. You are the ground that they stay on.